Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the Audi A1 Sportback Sport, finished in a lovely glacier white metallic paint, featuring a 1.0 TFSI petrol engine producing 116 PS with that brilliant Tronic automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, you'll benefit from those LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And running down the side of the car, you've got these lovely 16-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. You've also got power folding heated wing mirrors there as well. Just moving to the rear, you can see you've got a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for your weekly shop plus much more. And just moving inside, you get this lovely pattern cloth seats with ISOFIX points on the outer seats. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. There's also a couple of cup holders running down the centre there as well. Just behind the wheel, you've got a full digital display housing all your vital driving information and assistance systems such as lane assist. And alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, this car also benefits from the brilliant Apple CarPlay and Android Auto systems, allowing you to mirror up some of your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's also multiple driving modes available with this vehicle, including a dynamic setting for a more sporty drive, and efficiency setting there as well to help save some fuel. You also benefit from rear parking sensors. And a little bit further down the cabin, got your manual air conditioning there, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage just below, and a couple of USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.